Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the job safe and accessible. Disconnect the battery negative terminal and wait 2 minutes. Next, remove the shift knob and pop out the cup holder insert. This exposes the 10 mm screws holding the console. Use a plastic pry tool and lift at the defined seams. Work slowly and move clockwise so clips release evenly. You want to hear soft pops rather than forceful cracks. This prevents broken clips and keeps plastic edges intact as you free the top half of the console. Once the top trim is loose, locate and remove the hidden 10 mm bolts under the armrest, rear storage tray, and beneath the HVAC bezel. Make sure you unclip the parking brake switch and slide out the USB, 12V, and auxiliary connectors. Press the release tabs while pulling straight to avoid damaging pins. Label each harness with tape so you know their positions later. Keep bolts grouped by location. This organization saves time and prevents guessing when you reassemble the console. You can now lift the console straight up. Pause if you feel resistance and check for any remaining connectors or hidden clips at the front dash joint. If a clip breaks, replace it before reinstalling to ensure a tight fit and avoid rattles. Once the console is back in place and all screws are tightened, reconnect the battery last and test the USB, 12V, parking brake switch, and seat heaters. If something fails, check labeled connectors and ground wires. Loose pins are the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.